Hi Luxo lovers! Today's episode is titled Don't Wait to be Jobless. Launch these 10 businesses to thrive in 2024. Every day, people are losing their jobs for reasons like technology changes, economic shifts, company cutbacks, or changes in what customers want. But should you wait until you're out of a job to start your own business? We don't think so. In this video, you'll discover 10 businesses that are set to thrive this year. Businesses you can start right now. We're here to show you that it's wise to have more than one way to make money. So, why watch till the end? Because knowing about these opportunities now could be the difference between struggling later and being comfortably ahead. Remember, it's not just about having a backup plan. It's about being proactive and securing your financial future. Before we start, don't forget to give Luxo-Life some love. Here are 10 recession-resistant businesses you can start today. Number 10. Cleaning. When times get tough and the economy takes a dive, folks start tightening their belts, looking where they can cut costs. However, one area where many people continue to need support is in cleaning. Whether it's businesses wanting to maintain a professional appearance or busy families needing to free up time, the demand for cleaning services remains pretty steady. This makes the cleaning business a strong contender for those looking to start a recession-resistant venture. Cleaning services cater to a wide audience, from commercial clients like offices and stores to residential homes that need regular upkeep. The beauty of this business lies in its simplicity and the constant demand. Clean spaces are not just a preference. For many businesses and households, they're a must. This ongoing need ensures a steady stream of work even when the economy isn't at its best. Plus, it's a business that can start on a small scale and grow over time, adapting to the needs of your clients and your capacity to serve them. Getting started doesn't require a hefty investment upfront. With some basic cleaning supplies and a reliable mode of transportation, you're pretty much good to go. The key to success lies in building trust with your clients through consistent, high-quality service and word-of-mouth recommendations. Many successful cleaning services have started with just a single person and a commitment to making spaces shine, expanding their client base and services offered over time. Number 9. Landscaping. The process of making a yard or other piece of land more attractive can seem like a luxury at first glance, but even when the economy slows down and people watch their spending more closely, they still value their personal and recreational spaces. This is where landscaping businesses have a unique edge. Not only do they enhance the beauty of outdoor spaces, but they also contribute to the overall well-being and comfort of their clients, making the service a valuable commodity even in tougher times. Landscaping services span a broad range, from basic lawn maintenance to elaborate garden design, catering to various customer needs and budgets. This flexibility allows landscaping businesses to thrive by adapting their offerings based on economic conditions and client demand. People love enjoying beautiful, well-kept outdoor areas, whether it's their home garden or the grounds of a business. The desire for a pleasing outdoor space doesn't disappear with economic downturns, which helps keep the demand for landscaping services steady. Starting a landscaping doesn't require a significant upfront investment, making it accessible for many budding entrepreneurs. Initially, you might need some basic gardening tools, a lawn mower, and perhaps a vehicle to transport equipment. The real growth in landscaping business, however, comes from the quality of work and the relationships built with clients. Word of mouth from satisfied customers can be one of the most powerful tools for expansion. As you gain more experience and financial capacity, you can offer more specialized services like landscape design, irrigation systems, and hardscaping, broadening your market reach. Number 8. Power washing. Power washing may not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think about recession-resistant businesses, but it's actually quite resilient. Think about it. Dirt, grime, and mold don't take a break during tough economic times. In fact, people often prioritize cleaning and maintaining their homes and properties even more when budgets are tight. This steady demand for cleanliness and curb appeal makes power washing a smart choice for entrepreneurs looking for stability in their business ventures. The concept behind power washing is simple yet effective. Using high-pressure water to clean surfaces like driveways, sidewalks, decks, and buildings. It's amazing how a thorough power wash can transform a dirty, weathered surface into something clean and inviting. Homeowners, businesses, and property managers alike see the value in maintaining their exteriors not just for aesthetics but also for longevity and safety reasons, which keeps the demand for power washing services steady. Getting started in power washing doesn't require a massive investment upfront. You'll need a reliable power washer machine, safety gear, and basic cleaning solutions. The real key to success lies in providing thorough and professional service. Taking the time to understand different surfaces and using the right techniques to clean without causing damage is crucial. Gaining a reputation for dependability, excellence in your work, and satisfied clients will help you draw in repeat business and recommendations. Number 7. Auto detailing. Our cars are more than just vehicles. They're extensions of ourselves, reflecting our personality and style. Even in tough economic times, people still want their cars to look good and well-maintained. This is where auto detailing businesses shine as recession-resistant ventures. While some may consider detailing a luxury, many car owners see it as a necessary investment to protect their vehicle's value and keep it looking great for years to come. Auto detailing involves a thorough cleaning and restoration process, both inside and out, to bring a vehicle back to its best condition. From washing and waxing the exterior to deep cleaning and conditioning the interior, detailing services cover a range of tasks that make a significant difference in a car's appearance and longevity. The demand for these services remains steady because car owners understand the value of regular maintenance and preservation. Starting an auto detailing business doesn't require a huge initial investment, especially if you begin with mobile services. You'll need quality cleaning products, equipment like buffers and vacuums, and a keen eye for detail. Building trust with your clients through consistent and high-quality work is key to growing your business. Happy customers are likely to return for repeat services and recommend your business to others, helping you expand your clientele. Number 6. Consultant. Consulting is a recession-resistant business that can thrive even in challenging economic times. Why? Because when companies face tough decisions, changes in the market, or need expertise they don't have in-house, they turn to consultants for help. Consultants bring valuable skills, knowledge, and fresh perspectives to the table, helping businesses navigate complexities and find solutions to their problems. This ongoing need for specialized guidance makes consulting a reliable and in-demand profession. To succeed as a consultant, you need expertise in a specific area such as marketing, finance, human resources, or technology. Your knowledge and experience become your currency as you offer insights, strategies, and recommendations to clients. Building a reputation for delivering results, solving problems effectively, and building strong client relationships is crucial for long-term success in consulting. Networking, staying updated with industry trends, and continuously honing your skills are also essential aspects of thriving in this field. Consulting can be started as a solo venture or as part of a consulting firm. As a solo consultant, you have the freedom to choose your clients, set your rates, and work on projects that align with your expertise and interests. Collaborating with other consultants or joining a consulting firm can provide additional resources, support, and opportunities for larger-scale projects. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting, consulting offers a pathway to a rewarding and recession-resistant career by leveraging your expertise to help businesses succeed. Number 5. Productized service. Some of you think, what's a productized service and how does it fit into a recession-resistant business model? Well, let me break it down for you. A productized service takes a specific skill or expertise that you have and packages it into a standardized offering, much like a product. This can be anything from graphic design services to social media management or copywriting. By creating clear packages with defined deliverables and pricing, you make it easier for clients to understand what they're getting and for you to streamline your processes efficiently. The beauty of productized services lies in their scalability and predictability. Unlike traditional service businesses where every project may vary in scope and pricing, productized services offer a consistent framework that allows you to serve multiple clients efficiently. The scalability means you can handle more clients without sacrificing quality, ultimately increasing your revenue potential. Additionally, during economic downturns, businesses often prioritize essential services, making productized services that fulfill critical needs even more valuable and recession-resistant. So, how do you do it? Start by identifying your core skills or expertise that you can package into a service. Create clear service tiers or packages with transparent pricing and deliverables. Develop streamlined processes and workflows to ensure consistent quality and efficiency in delivering your services. Market your productized services effectively, highlighting the benefits and value proposition for potential clients. By focusing on delivering exceptional value and meeting specific client needs, your productized service can become a thriving and recession-resistant business model in today's dynamic market. Number 4. Buy a laundromat. So, how do you get into the laundromat? Well, you can start by researching existing laundromats for sale in your area. Look for ones that are well-maintained and have a good customer base. Once you find a suitable option, you'll need to consider financing options, as laundromats can require a significant upfront investment. However, the steady income stream and relatively low operating costs make them a smart investment in the long run. Once you've acquired your laundromat, focus on providing a clean, safe, and convenient space for customers. Keep your machines well-maintained and offer additional services like vending machines or folding tables to enhance the customer experience. Marketing your laundromat locally and offering promotions or loyalty programs can also help attract and retain customers, ensuring your laundromat thrives even during economic uncertainties. Number 3. Self-storage. People will always store things they don't have space for, and that's where self-storage businesses come in. Even during tough times, when people may downsize or move homes, they often need a secure place to keep their belongings. This consistent demand for storage solutions makes self-storage a recession-resistant business that can thrive even when the economy faces challenges. To get into the self-storage business, you'll first need a suitable location that's easily accessible to your target customers. Consider areas with growing populations or limited storage options nearby. Next, you'll need to invest in the necessary infrastructure such as storage units, security systems, and a user-friendly rental process. Offering different unit sizes to accommodate various storage needs can attract a wider range of customers. Once your self-storage facility is up and running, focus on providing excellent customer service and maintaining a clean, secure environment for stored items. Marketing your facility through local channels, online platforms, and partnerships with moving companies or real estate agents can help increase visibility and attract customers. By offering a valuable service that meets a basic need, your self-storage business can weather economic downturns and continue to thrive over time. Number 2. Product as a service. Product as a service is different from productized service because instead of just offering a one-time service, you're providing an ongoing solution that customers pay for over time. This can include things like equipment leasing, subscription-based services, or maintenance contracts. In uncertain economic times, businesses and individuals often prefer this model because it allows them to access what they need without a large upfront cost. To succeed in offering product as a service, you'll need to understand your customers' long-term needs and tailor your offerings accordingly. This might involve providing flexible payment options, offering upgrades or add-on services, and ensuring reliable customer support throughout the service period. Building strong relationships with your customers and consistently delivering value will help you retain their business and grow over time. When implementing product as a service, focus on transparency, communication, and demonstrating the ongoing benefits of your offerings. Highlight the cost savings, convenience, and peace of mind that come with your service model. By aligning your business with customers' evolving needs and providing a reliable and valuable service, you can establish a recession-resistant business that thrives even in challenging economic conditions. Number 1. SaaS, Software as a Service, or SaaS, is our last option. This kind of company uses an internet subscription model to deliver software to clients. SaaS providers provide solutions for a range of requirements, including accounting, customer relationship management, and project management. During economic downturns, businesses often turn to SaaS solutions because they provide cost-effective and scalable tools without the need for large upfront investments in hardware or software licenses. To excel in the SaaS industry, companies must focus on developing user-friendly and feature-rich software that meets the specific needs of their target audience. Providing excellent customer support, regular updates, and data security are also essential for maintaining customer satisfaction and retention. SaaS companies can benefit from recurring revenue streams through subscription renewals, upgrades, and additional services, making them resilient to economic fluctuations. Launching a successful SaaS business involves thorough market research to identify a niche or problem that your software can solve effectively. Develop a robust software platform with a clear value proposition and pricing model that aligns with customer expectations. Invest in marketing efforts to reach your target audience and highlight the benefits of your SaaS solution. By focusing on innovation, customer satisfaction, and sustainable growth strategies, SaaS businesses can thrive as recession-resistant ventures in today's digital landscape. And that's a wrap, Luxo lovers. We hope today's video has sparked an idea for you. By understanding the basics of these businesses, we believe you can start your own business soon. We expect you have enjoyed this video. Comment the business you want to start and let others know about these thriving and recession-resistant opportunities. If you're new to Luxo-Life, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next video, Luxo lovers.